The Earth has been teeming with life for the past millions of years. However, 99% of all the animals to have ever roamed on Earth are already extinct. Though these creatures are extinct, there is a key to unlocking their biological secrets. Scientists call this key the study of fossils, which is known as paleontology. Through the study of fossils, scientists can reconstruct extinct species, analyze evolutionary processes, and gain insight into the ancient ecosystems these organisms inhabited. A fossil is a preserved remains, impressions, or traces of an organism which lived in the geological past, mostly millions of years ago. The term fossil comes from the Latin word fossilis, meaning dug up. Fossils range from tiny microbes just a few micrometers in size to towering dinosaur skeletons which are over 100 feet long. They can be as young as a few thousand years or as old as 3.5 billion years. They are mostly found embedded in sedimentary rocks, amber, ice or tar. There are about 3 main types of fossil. Body fossils are the physical remains of an organism, such as bones, teeth, and shells. Trace fossils are the activity of an organism, such as footprints, burrows or root traces. Chemical fossils are molecular traces of life, such as specific hydrocarbons, indicating the presence of an ancient organism. Together, these types of fossil form the fossil record, which is an information that provides scientists with vital clues about life on Earth long before humans ever appeared. Fossilization is a rare event. Most organisms decompose rapidly after death. For fossilization to occur, specific conditions are needed. An organism must be quickly buried by sediment such as mud, sand, or volcanic ash. This protects it from scavengers and decay. Permineralization is also a type of fossilization in which groundwater rich in minerals seeps into the buried remains. Over time, minerals replace the organic material, turning it into stone. Some organisms are also preserved in amber. Amber begins its journey as resin, a sticky substance produced by trees, particularly coniferous species. It serves as a protective mechanism for trees, helping to seal wounds caused by physical injury or insect infestation. The sticky resin that flows from trees usually trap and kill insects and other small animals and form a protective cover around them. Over time, the resin hardens as it loses its volatile components like water and oxygen and become more stable, eventually forming an amber. Fossils aren't limited to animals and plants. They include pollen, spores, and microorganisms that help reconstruct past ecosystems. A fossil site containing both predator and prey species, as well as flora, gives a snapshot of an ancient habitat, whether it was a lush forest, a desert, or a marine environment.